Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat. And in today's video, I would like to show you two kits in a new craft that I haven't heard about before that is called Sequin Craft Kit. I purchased both kits at our local TJ Maxx. One is a unicorn, the other one is butterfly. Both kits are from Simply Make brand. If you follow my channel, most likely you remember me diamond painting a peacock and a unicorn from the same company. And to tell you the truth, when I saw these two kits, and they're pretty big, like, look at my hand, right? They're very big. I thought that these were diamond painting kits, and I was really very happy, and I grabbed them right away. But then when I looked at them more closely, I understood that they are actually, so to say, painted, right, with sequins, not with diamonds. So I just decided to give it a try and purchase them. So I actually got this one for my daughter's birthday, so we are not going to unbox this one, but we will this gorgeous butterfly, just for you to see it a little bit closer. On the back side there is a drawing of the same design, and the price is $7.99 at TJ Maxx. So this kit contains a foam board, colored sequins, colored artwork, pins, and instructions. So if you are new to this very craft like I am, and you want to see how the kit looks inside, stay with me. Okay, just as it was mentioned on the box, this kit contains, so to say, the pattern, the design itself, the sequins, there are 9 colors, the pins, the polyester foam board, and the instructions. So at first when I saw it, I was really confused. I was thinking that it was more similar to, I don't know, beaded cross-stitch kit or counted cross-stitch kit when you have to cross-stitch on a blank canvas. But after reading the instructions, I realized that actually in order to start, I want to say diamond painting, sequin painting, you have to put the pattern on the board. So once a pattern, so to say, is on the board, we should use the colored circles as symbols, right, on this printed sheet, or as a color guide. And after that, you just pick the color to begin with and slot a pin through the hole of a sequin. So, for example, we select this color and correspond it with this one, and in order for us to secure it, we use a pin. So my daughter and I are going to do it, and I will show you how it looks completed. Really very interesting, right? Unfortunately, I won't be able to show you the whole design completed, but some parts of it. It turned out to be pretty time consuming. My daughter and I completed only one color, the pink one. She was working on one half, I was working on the other half, and it took us at least an hour, both of us, at least an hour to finish one color, precisely the pink one. So it would take me at least 1 week to finish the whole design, and once it is done, I will upload a post review and I will show you how it looks once done. I'm actually trying to catch the angle, but the sparkle is intense. Unfortunately, the camera doesn't show it, so those of you who like to diamond painting might love this very craft as well. It is very similar to diamond painting. It is very relaxing. It is color healing. It sparkles. It shines. It's amazing. I really love it. And yes, it does take time to complete it, to finish it, and it requires patience and accuracy. I would even say more accuracy than diamond painting. So that's beautiful, this beautiful butterfly. Although I finished only, my daughter and I finished only one color, there was a lot of leftover sequins, the pink one, the pink color. And I'm really very happy because in case if we run out of pink color in the unicorn, we will be able to use the leftover sequins from this very kit. So once I finish this diamond painting, not me, my daughter and I, maybe me, maybe her, we will see. I will upload a post review, and just I really encourage those of you who like diamond painting to give this very craft a try and see if you're gonna like it or not. Again, I purchased this kit at TJ Maxx. Check your local TJ Maxx's out. If you do not find it, you might try to purchase it from, I guess, from Amazon. I'm pretty sure it's available somewhere else. This is all for today. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon.